Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Pam from Pamela's Creations. And for those that are new to my channel, I'm going to introduce myself if I can just put my words together. So, a lot of people are wondering, what do I do? Well, I'll tell you. I crochet, I diamond paint, I do paper crafts, make embellishments, make jewelry, and so on. So in my channel, you'll see your random stuff of whatever I make. And I try to do a few tutorials here and there if the space allows me to do that, because I don't have a lot of space on here. So the first thing, I thought I'd come here and show you an order I received from Southern Skeins. And I've seen these on other few crochet channels, and I wanted to give it a try and see how the yarn worked out. I also had made a few cards through the Stamps of Life. I accomplished killing a box of cards out. I have tons more I need to make, but I'm going to take it baby steps. So first, I like to show you my Southern Skeins yarn, and I got two of them. This one's is not so sock yarn, and this is what it looks like. I'll show you this pretty yarn, and it is hand dyed yarn, but I'm not sure what it is actually. Let's see here. Small batch of dyed yarn, but I don't know what it is exactly, but it is super soft, and it's sock yarn. It's called the Sock Yarn Club. And I really love those colors. The camera does not do justice for it. And then she added this organza bag. Looks like some kind of soap for laundry for your yarn. And let's see here. She added some tea, coconut mango, and a stitch marker. Got that, and I got that. And I believe that was, I paid extra for the extra skein, so I think it was 40 something dollars. She has an Etsy shop, and that's where I got mine from. And she also has a website, and I'll show you the card again. And it's southernskeins.com. And it's a monthly subscription box. I'm just trying out this box for this month. And you can follow her at Southern Skeins. And I believe she has a YouTube channel. I haven't checked that out yet. So there's that. So that is my Southern Skeins Sock Yarn Club. And she added a little bit of something there. Okay. And then I ordered this not so sock yarn. And not so sock yarn. Let's see, I didn't have a card in the other one, so this is merino, 320 yards. It's winter last frost, spring carrying pansies, beginning to bloom with the first signs of springtime life to come. That's the inspiration behind this month's color. So I didn't get the card in my other one, so I'm not really sure what's in that one. It comes in a cute bag. Let's open it up. I can open it up. Look at this pretty color. These are my favorite colors. And yeah, the other one did not have a tag on it. So this one is 80% merino, 20% nylon. It's 3-ply yarn, 328 yards, 100 grams. But look at those colors. Aren't those beautiful? I absolutely adore them. I love how they come in these cute bags too. I love that. Keep it nice in there. And it looks like I got some when you order from her, when I ordered from the Etsy site, it asked if you had a problem with smells and stuff, and I don't. So I got this cute stitch marker. All right. That is adorable. And some hand lotion, unscented, for crafting hands, which my hands are always dried out. Ooh, pumpkin decaf black tea. Yum. Gotta definitely try that one. So that is my Southern Skeins haul from her Etsy shop. And I can't wait to wind this up and give it a shot. Maybe make a little shawlette out of this pretty yarn. I don't know. If you have ideas for this this yarn, let me know in the description, not the description box, excuse me, comments, and I'll pin it. All right, so I'm going to clear this out and I'm going to show you the cards that I had made. So just one second. All right, I'm back, everyone. So here are the cards that I made. I'm going to go through them really quick. I used a card die to make the scallop. And that just says thank you in the middle. And a little disclosure, I am not a card maker. As a matter of fact, I'm not good with making cards at all. The reason I got these kits for the Stamps of Life was to learn to make cards. And I managed to make cards finally out of this. So I got this one made. And that one, Loving Life. And that is a shadow die in the back where the white is. And then the die. So, Loving Life. I don't think I have sentiments in all of them. And then I put a bow across here. And that just is blank. You can write whatever you want on it. And I popped it up on, see, foam tape there. I don't know if you can see that. And then this one just says thank you. I wish you a great birthday. And this is a die I had in my stash. I just trying to use things up. And then that was a die I had. That's fantastic. I don't think, oops, I don't know why it got sticky. I didn't put anything in the card. I just wanted to make the cards. And this background right here I had in my stash. Another one, wish you a great birthday. And then more. Another thank you card. There. You're fantastic. I'm so lucky to have you I'm so lucky to have you a friend like you. I think I stuck that sentiment in there because I was having issues with this on the outside, so I went ahead and stuck it on the inside. And then I had this friends in my stash, and I didn't put it down. I messed up a little bit, but that's just a sentiment I had. I used all the bows, all the sticky puffy stickers on there, and not so many of the enamel dots, but yeah. And then this one, I made this one, Loving Life. I don't know what's on there. And then I put 2 hearts that I had in my stash. The ribbon came with the kit. The paper came with the kit, but these hearts were mine. And I just stuck them on there, kind of like a little pick-me-up. So let's see here. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see here. This one's doubled up at 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I made 11. I almost made 12, but the card ripped and it was just a mess. And so I decided to say, okay, I'm just going to stick with 11. So I actually made 11 cards, and a big accomplishment for me. Yeah. So that's those. And I will put the video probably about now to where I was opening the box opening for this particular month. I also got some Happy Mail, and I got it from Makaz home. And I was so shocked to see this in the mail. She got it all cuted up and everything. I couldn't believe it. I was like, what? I was so excited. Makaz, she does paper crafts. Yeah, Disney fan. So please go check her channel out. I will link her channel down below in the description box. So let's see what Makaz sent. I gotta be careful here. Okay. Oh, how sweet. She gave me some goodies. So let's see here. Ooh, okay, so it says, wishing a very special person a very special birthday. Oh, just a card I can send to somebody. Just wanted to wish you a very belated birthday. Oh, wish. Cheers to a many more birthday celebrations. Hope you find yourself in good health. Nothing much here. Enjoy your crafting. Aw, being a subscriber on my channel. Aloha, blessings. Oh, how sweet. Thank you, Makaz. So she made this card. Isn't that pretty? And she didn't put anything on it, so you can actually reuse that. I love it. Thank you. And then, ooh, you know, I got some die cuts, and I always need die cuts. So here's this little bag she put together for me. And she included some bags so I can use them. And look at these leaves. Aren't they pretty? A rosette flower? Oh, I can use that. And die. See? I love this stuff. And a bag topper I can decorate. Love it. And then she gave me this little book that has embellishments in it. So let's open it up. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm so excited. She made a memory decks card so I can send that off. Oh, good. You know, I need these so bad. Look at, she made me some memory dexes. Yay! How awesome. I'm super excited. Isn't that awesome? So I got those. I'll put those there. I'm so excited. I love how she did this folder, guys. Isn't that cute? Ooh, how pretty. And a rosette. Look at that. And this cute folder. I really like this folder. Isn't that adorable? So yeah, my birthday present. I love it. Oh my gosh. I love everything. It's so cute. And I can reuse these and make bag toppers. It's inspiring. And look at these cute leaves. Aren't those cute? You can always do stuff with them. Oh, nice. You can add it to here. You know. Put one over here. Like that. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, she did a wonderful job. She's very talented. Like I said, I will link her channel down below. Please go check her out. Show her some crafty love. All right, everyone. I just wanted to come on here and show you my cards I made. And that I'm slowly getting back into my crafty mood. I just haven't been lately. I am working on some crochet projects that I can't wait to show you, but a couple of our blankets, so it's good. It takes me a little bit longer to crochet because I'm a very slow crocheter. And so I hope to bring you more paper crafts, more cards I made. I couldn't believe I actually made cards. I just am very shocked. So yeah, all right, everyone. Stay safe. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you can see more of my videos. And you all stay safe. Take care. Oh, hit the thumbs up too. And like and share me out. I would greatly appreciate it, guys. All right, you guys, take care. Bye.